Most teams automate what's easy, not what's important. And the results subsequently are going to be tiny. Uh, and the headaches, they do not go away. All the same problems, they will remain where they are. Delays, errors, unhappy customers, the same bills show up and the same payroll goes out. Nothing really changes. The problem is that you just do not jump to tools. You do not start by building. You start figuring out where the time and money leak. And that's what the audit does. And that's why audit is going to be the very first thing that you should do in your automation process. And the way you approach this is you start small, you pick one part of your business. It doesn't matter. The biggest challenge is starting. Pick one part essentially where you identify how you handle new leads, how you send out invoices, how you handle support for your customers. And then just write down all the steps that your process consists of. And don't worry about edge use cases. You will get there. We will get there. No if-else rules, none of that. Just a regular path. And then once you have it down, you start asking yourself the following question. How often does it happen? How long does it take? And where does it usually break? And collect rough estimates. You do not need surgical precision to really understand this. When you look at the answers, you will understand quite well where the waste shows up. And by waste, I mean real money. For example, salaries that are burned on repetitive tasks, mistakes that force rework or things that slow down customers, bottlenecks that delay deals or delay cash, and the opportunity cost. Okay. For example, smart people that are getting stuck on low value projects instead of the stuff that they could work on to grow your business. Once you have it all done, it will take you about 90 minutes just to work through your workflows, to map it out, putting the rough numbers on the time, money, and ranking them. And this way you will know exactly what process is draining the most and which one you need to fix first. And the most important thing on top of this is just don't open another automation tool until you get this done. So it's the most important part is really understanding what needs to be automated and what you need to be focusing on. And the sequence goes like this. You audit first, then you do the blueprint. We'll talk about it in one of the videos that is coming up. Then you build, and then you do the proof. That's your sequence. In part 2 of this video, I'll show you exactly what to capture in your audit so you can spot your highest ROI workflows fast.